Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome again in this EVS class. Children, you know we have completed chapter number 6, Beautiful Birds. Okay, and today we will start the exercise part of this chapter. So, in this chapter, children, first of all, they have given state whether the following statements are true or false. So here first statement they have written, some birds cannot fly in the air. So we have studied in this chapter, children, that some of the birds they cannot fly in the air. So it is true, like penguin, emu, ostrich, they cannot fly in the air. Second is, some of the parts of a bird's body are heavy. What they have written, some of the parts of the bird's body are heavy, means birds के कुछ जो body के part हैं वो heavy होते हैं. Yes, true, because you know where muscles are present or at the center of the bird's body, that is heavy in weight. So this is true. The bones of birds are filled with water. I have told you in this chapter, children, bones of the birds are filled with air, not with water. So this statement is false. Okay, here you write false. A newborn bird has lots of down feathers. Yes, whenever you see a newly born bird, you can see that a newly born bird's body is so soft because it is covered with the down feathers. So it is true. Here this statement is true. Fifth is, parrots like to eat soft fruits. No, parrots like to eat hard fruits and nuts. So it is false. Then children, fill in the blanks are given here. First is, a bird flies with the help of its wings. You know that birds uses their wings to fly in the air. So wings is the word you have to fill in first blank. And second is, birds have short and soft feathers on their body to keep themselves dash. बर्ड्स की जो बॉडी पे शॉर्ट और सॉफ्ट फेदर होते हैं जिनको हम डाउन फेदर्स बोलते हैं, वो उनकी बॉडी को वार्म रखने में हेल्प करते हैं. ओके. थर्ड इज, birds have dash and dash that suit their food habits. Children, in this chapter, in the last topic, we have studied that in bird's body, according to food, nature has given beaks and claws. Okay, जो उनकी चोंच होती है या उनके पंजे जो होते हैं वो उनकी फूड हैबिट्स के अकॉर्डिंगली होते हैं, प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनकी बॉडी. Fourth is, birds produce different types of sounds to dash with each other. Birds, when want to communicate or want to say something to their partners or their other birds, then the which word we use, that is called communicate. COMMUNICATE. N-I-C-A-T-E, communicate. Okay, they produce different types of sounds. Why they produce different types of sounds? To communicate with each other, communicate with other birds. Fifth is, the bones of a bird are dash and filled with dash. Yes, children, we have studied in this chapter the bones of birds are empty. Empty means खाली होती हैं, वो अंदर से hollow होती हैं. Okay, here empty also you can write or hollow also you can write. So they filled with air. और उनमें क्या फिल होती है? एयर फिल होती है. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. First is, the long and flat feathers that remain attached to the wings and the tail are called down feather, flight feather. इन दोनों में से कौन से feathers होते हैं जो उनके wings और tail में attached रहते हैं? Children, we have studied that they are flight feathers because they help to fly. तो wings help करते हैं उनको flying करने में, तो wings के साथ जो feathers attach होते हैं that are called flight feathers. Second is, the short and soft feathers that keep the bird's body warm and are called dash, body feathers or down feathers. चिल्ड्रन, जो बर्ड्स की बॉडी को वार्म रखने में हेल्प करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एज डाउन फेदर्स. ओके, जस्ट नाउ वी हैव स्टडीड. आई कैन शो यू थ्रू दिस पिक्चर. यू कैन सी हियर birds have short and soft feathers on their bodies to keep themselves warm. तो they are called down feathers. Okay, so ये जो सबसे soft और small होते हैं, they are called down feathers. So here in this option, don't do this one. ये जिस भी बच्चे की बुक है चिल्ड्रन, उसने इसमें रॉन्ग फिल किया हुआ है. आपको टिक बी में लगाना है. ओके, बी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो थर्ड इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बर्ड्स कैच एंड ईट इंसेक्ट्स लिविंग अंडर द bark of tree? We have studied in this chapter that under the bark of the tree, some birds, they used to eat insects which are hidden under the bark of the tree. So that bird is woodpecker. Okay, woodpecker, you must have seen here, this is a woodpecker, and whenever any insect hidden under the bark of the tree, means dry covering of the tree, then it can remove that bark with its sharp and long beak, and then they can eat those insects. So its name is woodpecker. So woodpecker is correct option, but here owl also given. Don't take on owl. Fourth is, this part of the bird's body help it in changing its direction during its flight. Children, मैंने आपको इस चैप्टर में बताया था कि बर्ड्स की जो टेल होती है, ओके, टेल हेल्प द बर्ड टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन. जब भी वो फ्लाई करते हैं, उड़ते हैं, उस टाइम उनको जब भी डायरेक्शन चेंज करनी होती है, टर्न करना होता है, तो वो अपनी टेल का यूज़ करते हैं टर्न होने के लिए. ओके, सो टेल इज़ द राइट ऑप्शन, हेड इज़ नॉट अ राइट ऑप्शन. So after this, your exercise part E, label the parts of the bird. तो चिल्ड्रन ये वाला जो डायग्राम है ये हम ऑलरेडी इस चैप्टर में कर चुके हैं. इसमें आपकी बुक में ये पिजन का डायग्राम दिया होगा विच इज़ अ बर्ड, एंड यू हैव टू fill all these blanks. These are the parts of the bird. So you know this is eye. So here eye you can write. This is a beak. Here this child has written wrong. It is beak. Okay, it is a beak. And this is wings, and this is leg, or you can write here they have written this is not leg, leg is this part, so this is called claw. Okay, CLAW, claw. And this is tail. Understood? You can see here this bird we have already studied, but here children some of the labelings are different. Here trunk they have asked, but in that diagram they not ask about the trunk. And here legs are written because here they ask about the legs. ये लाइन देखो कहाँ उन्होंने टच की है, legs में. But if anybody want to ask you that what is this part called, तो इस part को क्या बोलते हैं? claws, उनके पंजे जो होते हैं. Understood? And this is beak. तो आपको सारे जितने भी parts हैं उनको rightly label करना है. This is here they have written a trunk. This is not trunk. This is called beak. ट्रंक क्या होती है? ये वाला पार्ट जो होता है उसका चेस्ट वाला पार्ट. अंडरस्टूड? एंड दीज आर द विंग्स. सो लेबल राइटली अकॉर्डिंग टू द बर्ड. सो चिल्ड्रन दिस इज अबाउट योर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ बुक. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट इन योर कॉपी, ईवीएस कॉपी. जो आपकी बुक में दी हुई एक्सरसाइज है इसको बच्चों सिर्फ आप अपनी बुक में ही फिल करोगे और बुक से लर्न करना है. इनको आपको कॉपी में नहीं नोट करना है. ओके, और कॉपी में क्या नोट करना है आपको वो हम अभी कॉपी में जो लिखा हुआ है लेट्स रीड दैट वन. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, एट द टॉप you can write chapter number 6, beautiful birds, name of the chapter. Then always we write new words firstly. So new words are, first one is flying animals, second is feathers, third is trunks, fourth is hollow, HOLLOW. hollow means khali. Birds bones are hollow na, so hollow you write. Fifth is streamlined, and sixth is flight. 7 finches. 8th is cattle egrets. This is also a name of the bird which generally sit on at the back of cattles. And 9th one is hoopos. This is also O. Okay, HOOPOES, hoopos. And 10th one is communicate. 11 is pleasant. जो बहुत प्यारा लगता है उसको बोलते हैं प्लीजेंट. जैसे कुछ बर्ड्स की साउंड बहुत ही स्वीट होती है तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्लीजेंट साउंड. 12th is harsh. Harsh means जो हमें बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लगती ऐसी sound. 13 is crows and 14 is coos. Coos is a sound of some bird. Okay, these are the name of the sounds which we have studied at the last of this chapter. 15th is screams. 16 is cackles. 17th chatters. 18 gobbles. 19 hoots and 20 cries. So children, there are 20 words you have to write in your EVS notebook. Okay, and after that answer the following questions. So children, in the next class we will start writing answer the following questions, but today what to do, you write all the exercise part, means fill all the exercise part in your book, as well as you write all the new words in your EVS copy. And one thing more, you have to draw this diagram of bird and label all these parts. How you can draw? In that way you can draw the picture of a bird. Okay, I have drawn in this way. आपको जैसे भी बर्ड की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करते बनती है आप वैसे ड्रॉ करोगे और उस बर्ड के सारे पार्ट्स को आप नेम दोगे, नेम लिखोगे उनके, जैसे ये आई है, बीक है, this is trunk, these are the legs, and this is claw, both the claws, and this is wing, then this tail. In this way you write down all the parts and draw the picture of a bird and color it also according to you. Okay children, so this much is enough for today's class. In the next class we will complete the question answers. So Jai Gurudev to all of you.